Yo, what's up beautiful people, it's a girl Angela and I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple smoky look. So it has a black brownish and just I added a little bit of pink just to give it a body look. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and comment. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media account at Angela Nzakwa. And without wasting any time, let's begin. Let's start our video. Hope you will enjoy it. Sit back, relax and enjoy. I'll be going in with the pulley, or you can use a brush. Brush your eyebrows going upward or the upper side. After that, I'll be taking my eyeliner, the black eyeliner. For me, I'm using black because my eyebrows are black. So there's this trick that I'm using here, measuring my eyebrows with my nose so that it can give me a good shape, and also to make it of the same shape, so that one is not that thick and the other one is thin, one is not sharp and the other one is down. After doing that, I'll be drawing some stroke lines in front of my eyebrows, then fill in at the end of your eyebrows. Just fill in. Also, I'll be filling on the other side. After doing that, I'll be going in again with my pulley, or you can use your brush, and then comb starting at the middle of your eyebrows, going backwards. After that, I'll be taking my Pro Girl concealer. It's two shades lighter than my skin, so I'll be starting to clean. And here use a angled brush, don't use a fluffy brush, just an angled brush so that it can give you a smooth look. And for me, I'll be taking my product, applying starting from the middle, going backwards, and the one that remains starts on the front of your eyebrows, going backwards. Then I'll be taking this another concealer. Is just brighter than my skin. I'll be using it as a eyeshadow base, then blend until it gives you a very smooth look, or a very smooth eyeshadow base look. As you can see, that's how it looks like. And I'll be using this palette, so I ordered it from Kilimall. So today I wanted to go in with the smoky look, so I'll be starting with the black eyeshadow. Just fill in, starting from your eyelids. Just tap, don't brag. Continue filling in. Then I'll be going in with the brown eyeshadow, the dark brown eyeshadow. Apply on top of my black eyeshadow, or on top of a black eyeshadow. Blend it in using a circular motions. Don't brag, just move the brush in circular motion. Don't press in, just on top. Now you can blend the black eyeshadow and the brown eyeshadow. Just blend them until you can't see the harsh line, or you can't see the black eyeshadow. Now I'll be taking my moisturizer, apply on my face, then take a brush, spread on your face. After that, after spreading on your face and also on your neck, I'll be going in with my primer. Allow it to sit, then take your primer. I'll be using a Fit Me primer. Here's my primer. Apply the primer on your face after the moisturizer has already set. Take again your brush, apply or spread the primer all over your face and allow it to set. After I've already set my primer, I'll be taking a concealer that is too bright than my face. Apply the areas that I see a dark spot or I see the black areas. Apply the concealer. And after that, I'll be going in with my foundation. Apply on your brush and spread it on your face. And don't brag while spreading the foundation, just tap. Just tap, 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 guys. Continue spreading by tapping. Don't brag, don't brag. Don't brag, just press in your foundation. Sweetheart, don't forget your neck, baby girl. If you don't blend your neck, the makeup will end up looking like a mask. After that, because I didn't clean my eyebrows on the upper side, I'll be going with my foundation and clean on the upper side just to shape it, to give it that small look, a fancy beautiful look. Sweetheart, if you mess with your eyebrows, you just fucked up. Sorry, I just messed with the whole look and you'll have to start again, which is a very, very, very long process. Continue shaping it. After that, I don't know what entered into my eyes and I didn't see it. Take again your brush. Continue blending just by tapping. Don't brag. I said don't brag, just tap. After I'm done with blending my foundation using my brush, I'll be going in with the beauty blender that is wet, not that wet, just wet. And then go in by tapping or pressing in. Just tap, tap, don't brag. If you brag your foundation, you'll leave some harsh lines on it. As you can see, there are no harsh lines. Next, without neck. Then I'll be taking my concealer that I used to do my eyebrows. Then I'll be applying it under my eyes, on my nose string, on my forehead, around my mouth, on my cheekbones. Just apply. And immediately after applying this concealer, because it dries out very quickly, just immediately blend it. Don't leave it to dry, just blend immediately. Don't brag, just tap in, sweetheart. Tap, 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 tap. On my forehead, under my eyes, my nose string, tap. Don't brag. So it can give you that smooth look. Just continue blending. My nose string. As you can see, there are no harsh lines. Now the areas that I applied my concealer first before applying my foundation, you can see when I smell there are no harsh lines. Now I'll be taking my powder from Black Opal Opal Cosmetics. I'll be going in with, I'll take my beauty blender, put the beauty blender on the setting powder and blow out the excess and just tap. Don't bake fast, just tap the areas where you applied your concealer. Tap, 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 tap. You put the beauty blender inside your powder, then blow out the excess powder, or the excess powder that remains. Just tap on your face. Don't forget it's the areas that you applied your concealer. As you can see, there are no harsh lines. Just tap and blend it well. My forehead. Now after you are done with just pressing in the powder, now you can bake. Use as much as powder you want. Just bake the areas that you applied your concealer. You can now bake. Continue baking my forehead, under my eyes, my nose string, around my mouth, on my cheekbones. After that, I'll be going in with my Luron setting powder, and it is pressed. So I'll be contouring my face, and it is like dark, not that dark. It is almost my shade, my skin color. I'll be snatching that nose. Contour your nose. Look, snatch. Now I'll be applying my blush first. I used an eyeshadow like a blush. So after applying your blush, now you can remove the excess powder on your face. Continue removing the excess powder. Then I'll be applying the black eyeshadow on under my eyes. Continue removing the excess powder. As you can see, there are no harsh lines on my face. Then set your face using my setting spray from Carite. Your neck, guys. Then I'll be going in with my mascara, applying my mascara, the upper side of my eyes, on the lower side. I really fear applying mascara, but I don't fear that much. After I'm done, I'll be going in with my false lashes. I just apply them using my fingers. Just like that. Also on the other side. Then I'll be going in with the white eyeshadow on the corner of my eyes before I apply the pink eyeshadow. Now I'll be taking the pink eyeshadow, apply on top of the white one that you applied. As you can see, it giving me that Barbie look. Barbie, that ka pinkish Nikki pink. Nikki loves pink, so I just say pink is for Nicki Minaj. A big shout out to Nicki Minaj. Then I'll be going in with my eyeliner just to apply on the corner of my eyes, just to snatch. You wanna dance with it? You wanna look snatch? Then I'll be taking my highlighter. Highlight on your nose, on your nose string, on your cheeks, on your forehead, on my eyebrows. Continue highlighting. Then I'm going to take a brush just to blend in the highlighter that I applied, so that it looks like it's more like a skin. Is your skin glowing? It's like, yeah, that simple look. After that, I'll be taking my eyeliner, use now as my lip liner, just to line my lips. Then I'll be going in with the pink lipstick between my lips. As you can see, that look. Continue blending. Blend. After that, I'll be taking like a gold. It looks like a rose gold, like a goldish pink lip gloss. Apply on top of it again to snatch. And here goes the final look. Just blend the areas that you see there's something wrong. Guys, what do you think about that look? Leave a comment down there. I'll be reading them kama kawaida.